मैं आतिफ हाशमी हूँ ज़मान पार्क में इस वक्त हम मौजूद हैं और ईद की आमद है, आखिरी 2-3 रोज़े चल रहे हैं। हमारे साथ एक नौजवान हसन साहब मौजूद हैं, वो आपकी खिदमत में कुछ अर्ज़ करना चाहते हैं, उनके ख़यालात और जज्बात जानते हैं। अस्सलाम वालेकुम।
वालेकुम अस्सलाम।
कैसे हैं आप?
आई एम फाइन।
क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
Okay. I want to speak a lot today, and I want to tell, I'm just speaking in English because I want the whole world to listen to me, what I'm saying at the moment, and what I believe is, and I want to say that the PDM, the real, the people of Pakistan think that the handlers, they say the handlers is, to their extent they think the handlers are whatever them they are, but the real peddlers behind PDM are unfortunately late Dada Anwar Ghori and my father Khalid Ghori and my chacha Shahid Ghori and my brother who's in America, unfortunately double deported dog Asan Khalid Ghori. Let me tell you one thing. I want to just explain a couple of things. Like the first time when he went to USA, when it was 2009 to 2013 Jan, what happened was more than a dozen of countries in the Middle East were conquered by the Democrats, and it is always been thought that the Democrats are relatively, they do not like fighting, they do not like wars in any countries or so. And the point was that I wanted to discuss is the hub of what you say business, like the hub of businesses, countries like Iraq, Syria, Yemen, they were conquered, and they were brutally, people over there were humiliated, and human rights were not cared about at that time. And now I just call him double deported dog because at that time the economy of the US after the Second World War is still like coming nose down. So what is the logic behind all that? And unfortunately my father who has been an engineer, Khalid Ghori Saab, who has been an engineer, and he has given a lot of scholarships and sent students abroad. Because of his wrong policies and wrong behavior, many of the people have gone away from who are outside Pakistan are the cause of what you say the recession that is still going on. And I want to say that now they're trying to plan the 2-3 countries that are left strong. Like they want the hidden plan is to make Iran and Saudi fight, and the other plan is to make Turkey weak, try to weaken Turkey, and the other plan is try to create to rush into like the way they rush into Pakistan. Unfortunately, the people of Pakistan they are like they have a lot of they like to poke into others' matters. They don't only poke on the matters, they want to know everything about anybody just outside the gate, not going inside somebody's house, but trying to know the information what's going on inside the house or so. But the point, let me tell you one thing, like a mother who needs 3 sons at a time, if she has 3 sons, Pakistan needs 3 superpowers at a time. We need USA, China and Russia. We need China as our eastern western border is always under threat, and we need Russia for the fuel, oil and gas, and wheat, because Russian's wheat is the best wheat in the world. And we need USA. USA is not bad at all. Only couple of Democrats are good, and even Pentagon is I just want to say that Pentagon should have to look into it, because Asan Khalid Ghori, unfortunately, he has been abroad for 3 years. He has gone by telling illegally over here in Pakistan, covering the points over here, and he's living over there illegally, and he's just trying to he has done what you say double game with both of them. His scholarship is not he's not on scholarship, and he's claiming for 70 lakhs from the house, or 10 million to give, asking for my dad to give. The point is, and he is also buying plots in Bahawalpur and Multan. Kisi ko bataya nahi, don't tell anybody, don't use Facebook, don't use WhatsApp. tells that to my family members. So Sayyid Ahmed Khan used to say that ignorance is the mother of poverty. And the point is, the real point is, instead of and what they do is, like at my home the TV is not working. What they do is they are always busy in WhatsApps, social media, plotting and trying to gamble and plot against, trying to purchase people. And the people, when they get purchased, they say, okay, he's not going to harm any of us. But unfortunately what they do is, they're big snakes. Like, unfortunately, my father Khalid Gauri, when he puts his venom in Tokyo, it goes to Los Angeles. Unfortunately, he has such a horrible and such a mighty venom. It's my Allah's karam, that my God's, by his blessings, like he has, he is the snake of the sleeves, but nothing happens to me. Like Allah Ta'ala has made me up till now, alhamdulillah. And there was a time when people used to start calling my mother German, because she was brave. She is brave, mashallah, strong and intelligent and beautiful as well. They used to plot and make a mince machine, and when mom used to cross by, in Allah's tawakkal, and used to go properly, फिर बच गई, she's alive again. And the other point is, the thing I wanted to say is, unfortunately the downfall of our country, and the downfall of our relationships, and the downfall of the people of Pakistan is because when Asan Khalid Gauri, unfortunately, he is like dad as well. Like, I want to say a couple of things. Couple of things. The things I want to say is, unfortunately, my dad is also Changiz Khan. He is Yazid. He is Azar. He is Namrud. He is Shaddad, and he is Pharaoh at the same time. Unfortunately, the other point is, I'll just stop by saying this. Now, what Pakistan needs is, Pakistan needs elections, and I would request Imran Khan to say, I want to tell him, do not trust your people who have who has pulled your legs throughout your life and now trying to be mediators. And I'll say to you, I'll just give you proper what you say. I will just give you proper Imran Khan. I don't want to be in your cabinet. I want you to come into power. But whenever you will need suggestions, I can give the suggestions. Because there was a time when Joseph, who in Urdu we call Hazrat Yusuf al-Islam, he was put into the well. He was in negatives, and God made him the king of Egypt. Egypt was considered the king of the world. So what I want to say is what I can say, if you need my suggestions, I will give you my suggestions. The point is, don't give Imran Khan Sahab, don't give tickets to people who are not worthy. If you want to get tickets and you want to get interview them, my eagle's eye, what you say, the eyes of an eagle. The leader of eagle can tell you which person will like this way. I can tell you which person will give you what you say, will try to make you what you say, cause problem for you. I'll just tell you that the person who can cause problem for you, and this point. And what I want to say is, when my puppies and my chacha and my father, when my dada was my dada 40waं, what you say is, Aqsa Mosque was attacked. Not by the police or by people and some people are reciting Talmud. I want the spirituals all over in Pakistan and the world to create the Torah Talmud, so that the innocent lives cannot be harmed. And I want the people who go to the gym, if anything harms anybody, go and attack the Israelis who try to make our Palestinian and young people and innocent people starve and go to fights. And the other thing I want to say is, Iran should make his nuclear deal, and Saudi Arabia should come back from the NEOM deal that he has signed with US, Israel. It's not good. They have spread water on the sacrifices of the Palestinians. And what I want to say is, Pakistan should raise the voice, as Modi is trying to make the G20 summit in the place where the rights of the Kashmiris will be, swallowed. This is the thing we need to think as well. And the thing is, Turkey should be given the deal of the century, the Luzwan deal of the century, as it should get from Saudi Arabia. These are the points I wanted to share, and to be continued. Thank you so much, my brothers, who have given me time for the interview. Thank you so much. We'll have a chat after.